In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notifications to Google Calendar events. This is a great way to ensure you never miss an important meeting, event, or any crucial reminder you've set for yourself. We'll guide you through this simple but effective process that will help you stay organized and on top of your schedule. First, let's start by opening your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website or opening the app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main calendar interface, spend a moment getting familiar with your calendar layout. This is where you'll view your upcoming events and have the ability to set very helpful notifications. Now let's locate the event to which you want to add a notification. Scroll through your calendar view until you find the event you're interested in. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to open up the event details. Next, you'll see a pencil icon somewhere on the page. Click on this pencil icon to edit the event. This action will open the event editing interface, where we can input different types of notifications along with any other necessary information you feel like altering. Within the event editing interface, look for the option that says Add Notification. Clicking on this will allow you to set up your desired alert. It's a simple but critical step that ensures you'll be reminded ahead of time about the event. Once you've clicked Add Notification, you will have several options to choose from. You can pick between a pop-up notification, an email alert, or other available options. It's also possible to set when you want to be notified. The choices can range from just a few minutes to several days before the event. This flexibility allows you to customize how and when you receive alerts based on your preference. After selecting your preferred notification settings, make sure to review everything to ensure it's all set to your liking. Once you're satisfied, the final step is to hit Save to apply all the changes. This simple act of saving guarantees that your notifications are activated and ready to keep you informed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a notification to your Google Calendar event. Remember, setting notifications can significantly reduce the hustle and stress often associated with remembering important dates and times. We hope this guide has helped you get more out of your Google Calendar and keeps you on track with your busy schedule. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.